Feature Engine is an open source Python library for feature engineering and selection that integrates seamlessly with Scikit-Learn. By using the familiar fit and transform methods, Feature Engine makes it incredibly easy to optimize hyperparameters through a grid or a random search, utilize cross-validation, and create end-to-end feature engineering and model training pipelines that allow you to combine the feature engineering steps with the model training steps. So by working with the Scikit-Learn ecosystem, Feature Engine allows you to streamline your machine learning workflow from feature engineering to model tuning and evaluation. And this powerful integration ensures that you can build robust, efficient models while taking full advantage of Scikit-Learn's comprehensive suite of tools. So check it out and let us know how you find it in the comments. And if you like Feature Engine, please like this video or share it and help us spread the word. Thank you.